Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. This video I am taking a 50 MCQs on agronomy for ICAR JRF and PG Entrances. These 50 MCQs will be important for all upcoming Agri competitive exams. Let's start the video. Question number first. Seed potato dormancy is broken by. For seed potato dormancy breaking, thiourea is used. Option B is correct answer. Question number second. Weight of 1000 seeds of Phalaris manor is, that is, test weight of Phalaris manor is 2 gram. Option A is correct. Question number third. Cultivated wheat in India belongs to. Option C is correct. Cultivated wheat in India belongs to spring wheat. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Which of the following cereals have lowest protein content? Among cereals, rice have lowest protein content, then other wheat, maize and sorghum. Option C is correct. Question number 5. Waterlogging in soil favors production of. Option B is correct. Waterlogging in soil favors methane production. Question number 6. The double zero variety belongs to. Option D is correct. The double zero is a variety of mustard. Option D is correct. Question number 7. Which one of the following is non-acid forming fertilizer? Option A is correct. CAN, calcium ammonium nitrate, is non-acid forming fertilizer, that is, it is a neutral fertilizer. Question number 8. Which oil cake acts as nitrification inhibitor? Option C is correct. Neem oil cake acts as nitrification inhibitor. That's why neem coated urea is promoted in India. Question number 9. The edible portion of sweet potato is. Option D is correct. The edible portion of sweet potato is modified root. Question number 10. Which part of tobacco plant synthesis nicotine? The roots of tobacco plant synthesis nicotine. Option C is correct. Roots. Question 11. The fruit of linseed is also known as. Option D is correct. The fruit of linseed is known as seed ball. Question number 12. Which of the following is tropical rice? There are 3 varietal classification of rice, that is Indica, Japonica and Javanica. Among these, Indica, option A is correct. Indica is tropical rice. Question number 13. Type of barley mostly grown in India is. Option C is correct. 6-row barley is mostly grown in India. Question number 14. Among cereals, lowest water requirements is for. Among cereals, there is lowest water requirement for per minute. Option C is correct. Question number 15. Chemical used for sugarcane ripening. Here option D is correct. Glyphosate is used for sugarcane ripening. Question number 16. Press mud is used for reclamation of. Option A is correct. For reclamation of acidic soil, press mud is used. Question number 17. Sprouting is critical growth stage for irrigation in. In soybean, sprouting is critical growth stage for irrigation. Option D is correct. Question number 18. Disease caused by regular use of mustard cake. Option D is correct. Disease caused by regular use of mustard cake is goiter. Question number 19. Most critical stage in potato for irrigation is. In potato, 25% tuber formation is most critical stage for irrigation. Option B is correct. Question number 20. Oldest unit of solar radiation is. Lux. Option A. Lux is the oldest unit of solar radiation. Question 21. The method of sowing which facilitates interculturing operations in both directions. Here option D is correct. enabling which facilitate interculturing observation in both directions. Question number 22. Fruit-bearing branches in cotton are called as. Fruit-bearing branches in cotton are called as sympodial branches. Option B is correct. Question 23. Is the intensification of cropping in time and space dimensions? Option C is correct. Multiple cropping is the intensification of cropping in time and space dimensions. Question 24. GST rate on food grain seeds. Option D is correct. There is no GST, that is 0% GST rate on food grains. Question 25. India's share in global total production is. India's share in global total food grain production is 25%. Option D is correct. India share about 25% of total global food grain production. Question number 26. Per capita availability of wheat in India during 2018-19. In 2018-19, per capita availability of wheat in India was 182 gram per day. Option A is correct. Question 27. The state that produces highest food grain in India is. Option C is correct. Uttar Pradesh is the state that produces highest food grain in India. Question 28. In arid ecosystem, average length of growing period is. In arid ecosystem, the crops growing period is less than 90 days. Option B is correct. Question 29. Average lifespan of coconut plant is. The average lifespan of coconut plant is 60 years. Option D is correct. Question number 30. Which of the following pairs is not matched correctly? Here, yellow revelation oilseed and reproduction is correct. Golden revelation to horticulture is correct. Blue revelation to fish production is correct, but option B is not correct, that is round revelation is related to potato production, hence option B is not correctly matched. Question 31. Irrigation with sodic water increase the availability of which among the following elements? The irrigation with sodic water will increase the sodium concentration in soil. Option A is correct. Winter rainfall is restricted more to North India. Option A is correct. Question 33. Enforced dormancy of weed seeds can be broken by. Option D is correct. By tillage practices, enforced dormancy of weed seeds can be broken. Question 34. Jointing stage in wheat starts how many days after sowing? Option C is correct. After 45 to 60 days of sowing of wheat, jointing stage start. Option C is correct. Question 35. The shell of groundnut pod is morphological known as. The shell of groundnut pod is morphological known as pericarp. Option A is correct. Question number 36. Mn deficiency occurs in rice grown in upland soil. Mn deficiency occurs. Option B is correct. Question number 37. Sorghum Helpens was introduced in India from. The Johnson grass was introduced in India from USA. Option A is correct. Question number 38. Ammonical fertilizers have maximum efficiency when applied as in. Option C is correct. When ammonical fertilizers are applied in reducer zone, they have maximum efficiency. Question number 39. National Academy of Agriculture Research Management is located at. Option D is correct. In Hyderabad, National Academy of Agriculture research management is located? Question number 40. Mechanism of nutrient mobility was given by? The mechanism of nutrient mobility was given by Bray. Option A is correct. Question number 41. The cropping system which has maximum area in India. The cropping system rice wheat has the maximum cropping area in India. Question number 42. Microeconomics is also known as? Microeconomics is also known as price theory. Option C is correct. Question 43. When the first 5-year plan was launched in India? In 1951, the first 5-year plan was launched in India. Option B is correct. Question 44. Photorespiration involves glycolate cycle. Option C is correct. Question 45. Irish famine was due to? The Irish famine was due to late blight of potato. Option A is correct. Question 46. Most sensitive crop to poor soil aeration is? Option D is correct. Tobacco is the most sensitive crop for poor soil aeration. Question 47. Which of the following is the first product of photosynthesis in sugarcane? In sugarcane, oxaloacetic acid is the first product of photosynthesis. Option D is correct. Question 48. Fat percentage in pearl millet is? Fat percentage pearl millet is 5%. Option D is correct. Question number 49. In cereals, highest gluten content is in? Option B is correct. Wheat. In wheat, there is highest gluten content among all cereals. Question number 50. Nursery area required for rice transplanting in 1 hectare by SRF method. Option B is correct. There is 100 meter square nursery area required for transplanting of 1 hectare area of rice by SRF method. Thank you friends for watching video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.